Hello everyone, I'm Jimmy from Hikvision. Right now I'm standing at a premiere of a factory park. Recent update in technology and security demands changed the way the premieres are protected, making the conventional methods outdated. It's difficult for one camera to cover long premieres and wide areas, while meeting functional requirements for security and evidence. You normally need more cameras of various types. Conventional security cameras do not recognize objects, and they need constant human judgment and interventions when a human or a vehicle trespasses. Conventional premiere protection usually requires combination of fixed lenses cameras and PTZs, along with speakers to alert the trespassers. This means a huge spend on camera purchase, installation, use, and maintenance. In response to these problems and pain points, the Hikvision has launched its next generation PTZ camera, the TandemVu PTZ camera. This new addition to Hikvision's product lineup offers some amazing advantages. Firstly, you can use just one TandemVu PTZ to cover a long premiere and a wide area. Secondly, you can take advantage of the camera's embedded Hikvision technology to identify and classify the objects that cross a line. Once a human or vehicle is detected, the TandemVu PTZ can instantly warn them off with audible and visual alerts. With the TandemVu PTZ, you can achieve required security levels with minimum deployment and maintenance. This will significantly lower the security costs and installation time. The TandemVu PTZ incorporates advanced technologies with great versatility, bring users a brand new experience of the security. It's time to get a new view in premiere protection, the TandemVu. If you want to know more about our TandemVu PTZ, please visit our landing page. And thank you for watching.